Made it to Ban Gioc Waterfalls. I've been meaning to come here for 2 months. I'm traveling with two new people, Aram and Andrew, and I finally made it. It is way more touristy than I expected because it's in the middle of nowhere. I figured it wouldn't be that touristy, but hey. And there they are over there. So let's go check them out. So here's the Vietnamese side of the waterfalls. Chill, not that many people. There's the actual waterfall. And then over there where you see all those people is the Chinese side. As with most things, China has crazy amounts of infrastructure and make things very touristy. So the falls just started gushing way more water. Don't know why. And the Chinese side is blaring music very obnoxiously. The Vietnamese side is very calm and quiet and serene. What's cool about this place is it's not just one waterfall. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I don't know. It's a lot of waterfalls and they're beautiful. And the Vietnamese side is very, very empty, which is nice. I'm going to fly my drone around. I'm going to be that guy. And yeah, it's very pretty. It's very calm here, which is nice. It is touristy. There are a bunch of shops and stuff, but it's calm. It's not flooded with people. I think in the summer months it might be, but right now it's very calm, very peaceful, very nice. The Chinese side, though, looks flooded with people, as all things are in China.